Hi guys, so the eagle-eyed amongst you will have realised that I'm in a van, so it's just a little update to let you all know that I've got a van. YouTube's a funny place. There will be some people who are watching this who couldn't care less, but people seem to be invested in people on YouTube, and it's a bit crazy to think that some of you will be at least a little bit interested that I've got a van. It's mad really, isn't it? But it's good though. So yeah, so it's a Peugeot Partner, which is the same sort of vans as a Berlingo, that sort of size. I wanted a half decent one. I mean, it's new to me, it's not a new van. It's 64 plate, but it's been really well looked after. Only 71,000 miles on it, which is good, because I can't believe how expensive vans are. If you go on second hand, like a half decent second hand one, you're looking to be paying like 2,500–3,000 for like a bog standard one with, like, you know, 150,000 miles on, kind of thing. And it's so anyway, I paid up a little bit, so I'm going to get it sign written. And the point of this video really is to tell you that I'm going to have a couple of videos coming once I get it all sorted, like my van setup and things like that, because I know people are interested in that kind of thing. So the videos are going to keep coming. I know a couple of you have commented on various videos about topics that you'd like us to cover, and I've got a massive list, and I can only do so much. It's hard doing all these videos as well as everything else. I've got 10 on schedule, so I've kind of settled on a Sunday night at 7:30 where they're going to come out. YouTube tells us that's the time when most of my subscribers are watching, or at least on YouTube rather. So every Sunday 7:30 there'll be a video, and I've got 10 on schedule, and I'm just keep filming them and keep doing them. So I've got a long list of topics that I want to cover, but if you've got anything, I know a couple of you, as I said, have told us before, but pop them in the comments anyway, and I'll add them to the list and just crack on with what I've been doing really. So I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next one.